Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another home decor haul video. It's just another small one, but just some stuff that I've been picking up for my home. It's in the shabby chic kind of style, so lots of pink stuff in here. And if you've been following me on my Instagram, I've been posting a lot of the stuff I've been picking up. But let's just go ahead and start with what's in this Joannes bag. I found quite a few of these different little flower detailing pieces, things I can tie off like curtains with. I got a few different sets. I'm thinking different places around my home and just wanting to just bring the floral to life. I absolutely love a good floral print, so I think these would be really pretty for just around the home. This next item here I did pick up from Ross. It's a little bit big to fit all in frame here, but it has this side here that I can stick some pictures on, and then this side here which is weekly planning what you're doing each week. I've been getting into more of this kind of stuff right here, so that way my family can know what's going on each day of the week, what's, you know, things are changing out of the ordinary, but what goes on each week that we can just fill out each week. It just makes things a little bit more organized for the family, and it just helps us all be able to be in really good communication with one another throughout the week. The next thing I bought, this is from, I believe this is, I think I picked this up from Burlington, but I got this shower curtain. I love the floral detailing on it, love the color, love the pink, so I think that'll look really pretty in our guest bathroom, as well as this to match it. It's super cute. I love pink. You can't already tell I love pink. I love the style. I love the princess feel to it. Growing up, my great grandma's bathroom was like the prettiest shade of pink, and I absolutely loved every part of it. Loved just being in there, and just everything was like you walked into a pink bubble. So I'm kind of creating the same aesthetic with my bathroom. So I am definitely looking forward to having this stuff up. And then the last thing I bought in this short little home decor haul, more to come, so stay tuned, but I picked this curtain up. It's a nice thick blackout curtain. I think that might go in the girls' room, but it does very much go with my aesthetic, so I may or may not pick up more curtains in this style for the rest of the house, but I absolutely love it. It's a nice thick thin blackout curtain. This was another Burlington find. So it's pink, it's got the silver in it, and it's got more of a peachy undertone, so I think it'll be better in the girls' room. We're going more warm tones, so I'm thinking more like pinks with golds for like the rest of the house. But if I can find something in a similar style, I'll probably end up picking up more of the similar style for like other parts in the house. But with that, I hope you enjoyed this quick yet very simple home decor haul. I do my hauls in short spurts, not long big hauls, and quite honestly, once I start picking up stuff, I can't wait to just share them and get excited about them with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I will see you in the next video. God bless and bye guys.